fixtures, on-site wastewater reduction. They have implemented. So this is more of a high-level look at City of Portland's Bureau of Planning and Sustainability, their overall comprehensive urban plan. It involves all facets of the built environment. It's kind of a good outline for the course of what we're going to be talking about. So citizen involvement. We talked previously about why gray water is a real issue. Well, it's because of not enough citizens and not enough commissioners and other people who are in charge of the building code know about gray water or care to advocate for it, right? Land use planning, so zoning, where, is it mixed use development that's encouraged? Are there height restrictions? A lot of places don't allow you to build in a more sustainable manner, which higher is better, right? If you have a 1 acre property, you build 100 stories, you just save 99 acres from being developed because you have 99 acres of land in the air, right? But a lot of places prohibit tall buildings. They prohibit mixed uses. It used to be a real prudent tactic when you had industrial sites right next to residential sites. But in today's America, do we really have tire manufacturing located in urban setting and all? It's not really as applicable today with respect to zoning. Forest lands, the protection of forest lands, open space and recreation, resource quality, the overall economy, how can sustainability contribute to that, housing and transportation, energy conservation, and overall urbanization as transportation. So greenwashing, definition, dissemination of misleading information by an organization to conceal its abuse of the environment in order to present a positive public image. So something fairly easy for companies to do, to embellish or outright lie about their greenwashing activities. Another definition, misleading consumers regarding the environmental practices of a company or the environmental benefits of a product or service. If you were to buy Greenworks for the rest of your life, the Clorox cleaner, and you found out that it didn't actually do anything for you or your family and actually contained a lot of harmful chemicals, I think a lot of people would be irate about that. So trying to get greenwashing out of the system and to prevent those kind of sustainability detrimental impacts that come from greenwashing. Once someone has been had by greenwashing, they might be very cautious, very skeptic about any type of sustainability advocacy whatsoever. So it's something we want to try to eradicate in the sustainability industry. Something that the USGBC really works hard to get away from. So a large problem with green imposters, inherent problem in current grading systems, and gamers of the system overall. So more and more, the USGBC, which is the United States Green Building Council, you guys will learn pretty soon, who run the LEED rating system. LEED stands for Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design. That's what I was looking at, or start learning. So gamers of the system. So they're trying to get people away from the easy credits. Previously, you could have no increased energy production from your green building, and now they're requiring you to get 2 points in terms of energy efficiency. And we'll go through all the point totals, but the basic crux of it is that they're making it more and more difficult to be a green building, or at least more so that you're actually meeting standards that go above and beyond. You're not just taking the easy credits. And we'll go through exactly what that means, but basically trying to get gamers out of the system. These are projects that get LEED certified, perform very poorly, and give green building a bad name and a bad brand image overall. So recent reports suggest LEED rated buildings are not performing to predicted energy model figures. In order to predict the building